Welcome to EVOFILM. This is part 1 of our video series on installing EVOFILM window tint film. Be sure to follow the instructions and work calmly and methodically for the best results. Don't rush. Our best pro tips for successfully installing EVOFILM are to do so while well rested, on a full stomach, and without the pressure of time constraints. Clean and polish the inside of the window. Remove grease, dirt, and particles. Clean the edges of the window extra carefully, otherwise you can risk the window film not sticking. Fill a bucket with hot water and place the window tint film you wish to install in the bucket. Mix the application fluid with hot water in the spray bottle. Assemble the installation scraper. Wear gloves to avoid putting greasy marks on the window film or glass during installation. Apply a thin layer of EVOFILM's installation gel, EVOGel, along the edges of the window the film is to be mounted on using the sponge brush. The gel holds the edges of the window film in place during drying to avoid peeling edges. First, spray the window with the application fluid. Then carefully apply the window film. Place the film on the window and adjust it so that it is positioned correctly. Spray plenty of mounting fluid onto the window film before using the scraper. Then softly and methodically run the installation scraper over the window film to press out most of the excess water between the window and the film in order to remove bubbles and creases. Spray the film again. Press the scraper against the window film a little harder and start pushing out the mounting fluid between the window and the film. Repeat the spraying and scraping process 3 to 5 times until all the water between the film and the window is gone and the film is properly stretched out. The film should normally stretch between 3 to 5 millimeters when mounted correctly. Once the window film is mounted, repeat the scraping process along all edges around the window. Any extra application fluid invisible to the eye often accumulates along the edge of the window film and must be scraped or wiped off. Excess installation gel will need to be pressed out and wiped off with a moist cloth. Use the rounded scraper to get into the corners. Let the tint film dry. If possible, leave the car in a cool environment with open doors during the drying process. Do not expose the car to sun and heat directly after the installation. Drying the window film too quickly can lead to the film not sticking properly. Thank you for watching part 1 of our installation video series. EVOFILM, tinting made easy.